Huh? Oh, hey guys, didn't see you there. My name is CoolKid 124,843,795. Welcome to um my favorite game. I I I I, I play a lot. Um it's called uh, um mcdonald's roblox, and it's my favorite game, so I want to show you guys how to play it, because a lot of people were asking me. They're like, hey, cool kid 124,843,795, how do you play roblox mcdonald's? And so I'm gonna show you guys how to play Roblox McDonald's, because you guys were asking. So first, what you gotta do is you gotta um I play this game a lot, guys. So it's oh yeah, so you just, if you follow me here, you go you it's okay. You go to this thing, and you and 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 you click it a lot, and then you like slam your face into it, and then it accepts you as one of your own, and then you legally are adopted as McDonald's. So then you'll notice that um I don't know how to read, but there will be um this thing, and then you what oh my goodness. It's okay, guys. It's all part of the process. Then what you do is um um you begin working, so you can be like my favorite TV. Oh my, that scared me. Oh, oh my, oh my, oh, oh, oh. That was scary. I don't know, guys. Guys, this is a little too stressful for me, and my doctor says that stress is not good for me, because then my brain might explode. So uh, uh, so you um you go here, and you see that you, oh, that's nice. Okay, okay. Oh my, it's okay, guys. I got it. You just do what I do, and then you'll be McDonald's. It's like my what was I saying? It's like my favorite TV show. SpongeBob goes to McDonald's. No, that's not my favorite. Oh yeah, it's SpongeBob goes to McDonald's with Spiderman and Elsa. Prank video number 5. That's my favorite one. If you want to know. And what are you, stupid cool kid? They don't want to know. No one wants to be your friend. I can't do this anymore, guys. I think my brain's gonna explode, and my dad won't be happy with me if 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 he if he has to clean up my brains. So I don't want him to beat me. So I'm gonna go before my brain explodes. Okay, guys. This was CoolKid 124,843,795. I hope you guys have good day, and be nice to people, or else they might be sad. And that's the lesson for the day. And bye, guys. Have fun with your day.